Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So Melanie Susie sent me another gel polish kit, and this is their 24+4 kit, so I'm so excited to try it. So when you open up the box, you get the little card, and it just says you get a free surprise gift if you follow the instructions, and then we get the instruction manual on how to apply the gel polishes. So this is all the colors that comes in the kit, and when they reached out to me, they gave me a choice on which kit that I wanted, and the kit that I wanted, they actually was out of stock, so they ended up sending me this one. But these colors were still cute as well. So for the 4 extras, you get 2 base coats, a top and a matte top coat. Although I wish they gave you 2 top coats because I feel like the top coat is more important. So the 2 top coats would come in handy. And then I'm just going to give you guys a closer look of the bottles. This is 5 milliliters. The bottles are pretty small, but you do get a lot of colors for that price. And then I'm just showing you guys the consistency of this one gel polish. So the consistency is very nice, and I feel like these are opaque for the most part. Like, I'm pretty sure you don't have to do like a whole lot of layers to get the coverage you want, so that is nice. So before I get into swatching all of these gel polishes, a company reached out to me on Instagram to try their UV LED light. So I'm just going to unbox it and try it with these swatches, and I will be testing it out with my set as well. So once I get off the bubble wrap and out of the package, this is how the box looks. And this is a 2-in-1 LED UV light, and it is also 110 watts, so that's pretty strong. So I'm just going to open this up and show you guys what it looks like. So at the bottom of the box, it also comes with like the little instruction and the manual on how to use their light. And you can pause it if you want to read it, but I'm just going to skip through this part because I just want you guys to see the light. So inside we have the card that you hook into the outlet. So once I took out the light, this is how the light looks, and it's so pretty. Like, I didn't expect it to be this pretty. So we have 4 different time settings, which is 10, 30 seconds, 60, and 99 seconds. So I'm just going to take off this plastic from the nail light so you can see how much more pretty it is. It is so shiny. Like, I didn't even want to get fingerprints on it, but this is how the light looks, and I absolutely love this light. So I snapped off the top. I wanted to see if you could take off the top, which you can, and then I want to show you guys the inside. So you get some lights here at the top, and then also all the way around the side, which is good because that ensures that your nails will be cured from all angles. So I went ahead and plugged up the light just to show you guys how it works, although it does work just like any other nail light. But I just wanted to, like, you know, test it out before I started curing, just to make sure that all the buttons and stuff work. And then this light is motion censored, so once you put your hand inside, it does automatically come on. So I will make sure that I leave the Instagram account who reached out to me down below, and also the link to where you can buy this lamp. So now that I'm done showing you guys the nail light, I'm going to get into all of the swatches. And since I do have a lot of colors, I wanted to breeze by this kind of fast so that I didn't make the video too long, and I did swatch these in sections. So after being cured for 30 seconds each, this is the first set of colors, and I love how these look beside each other, like they're just so cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch all of the colors and then show you each section how I just did until I reach the end. So I'm just going to swatch my last 3 colors, and I just wanted to tell you guys that I do have a discount code, which is KEYK, and it will save you 12% off your orders. I will make sure that I leave the link to where you can get this and also my discount code down below. So if you are interested, make sure to purchase from that link. So next I have another package, and this is from enailcoutoure, but I actually purchased these myself. So I've been seeing so many people use these. I've seen Femi Beauty use it, I've seen Emily Susanna use it. Like, I just been seeing these everywhere, and everyone talks about them so much, so I wanted to try them myself. I just wanted to show you guys here how it fits around the cuticle area. Like, it just fits so perfect. Other full cover nail tips like are more square, so you have to do a little bit more customizing so that it fits around your cuticle area, and that's what I love about these nail tips. And then I also wanted to show you guys the pinky nail. So the pinky nail has a really high apex. As you can see, it doesn't even touch my nail bed. So if you were to do the Femi Beauty method, I feel like that would be a good way to like have that extra room in there. Or like if you do use base coat like I did, you will have to put a little bit extra so that it gets on your nails. So I just went ahead and applied those full cover nail tips using some of the base coat gel that came in the Melanie Susie kit. And I just love how these looks. Like, they already pre-shaped full cover nail tips, and it just makes it so much more easier. And then I also went around my cuticle area because I did have a little bit of spilling. And once I repeated that over all the nails, I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol to remove that dust. And it did like turn it a little bit cloudy. I'm not sure if it's because these are gel nails, but it didn't bother me because I was going for a matte look anyways. So I just picked out the colors, the red and the white colors, and I'm starting off by painting my index finger a solid red color. And I do love how these go on. These are so smooth. So once I was done, I made sure that I cleaned up around the cuticle areas before I cure it in the nail light. And then I also see like a little dust ball on my nails, so I went ahead and just removed that. And I just added some more gel polish because I didn't want to cure it and it's like a lump in my nails. So once I was satisfied with that nail, I went ahead and cured it for 30 seconds, and then I also repeated that on my pinky nail as well. And then I cleaned up around my cuticle area. I cured that, and then I added a second layer to both of the nails, and this is how those nails are looking. So next I'm just taking the white, and then I'm going on my middle finger and just adding some white spots to my nail. So this nail is going to be a marble, but for the marble I wanted to have like some solid white spots in the backgrounds and then also some clears. So I'm just taking the white and just putting some spots on the nail, and this is how the nail looks. I'm just going to cure that and then go in with my marble. So I usually don't do my marble like this. I usually just put the gel polish directly onto my nails and then just swirl it on my nails, wipe the sides and cure. But I wanted to try it this way because I have been seeing people do it. So I just wanted to try it this way for myself. So I'm just putting the colors side by side in a line, just alternating the colors. And then once I finish lining up my colors, I'm going to take a dotting tool and just kind of swirl these around to create a marble kind of pattern. But before I apply that marble to my nails, I'm just taking some base coat and I'm putting it on that nail where I want the marble. This base coat is just going to act as kind of like a blooming gel. I'm not going to cure this base coat because I want the base coat to kind of like allow these gel polishes to like flow. And then I'm going to be applying this with my nail art brush, and I will make sure that I link this as well. And I feel like this brush was perfect for this because it's kind of wide, so like you get to pick up and scoop up that gel polish and apply it to the nail. So I'm just going to be flowing this into that wet base gel, and I barely added any pressure at all. I just wanted to like flow it down. And this part here was like so out of focus, so I sped it up, but I also wanted you guys to see how I did it. So yeah, I just kind of sped that up. I didn't realize it until I actually like showed you guys. So this is how that marble nail came out, and I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but I just went ahead and continued anyway. So I just went ahead and cured that for 30 seconds. And then next I'm taking these stickers. These stickers are from the makartt Hooked on Love Valentine's Day collection. And I'm just going to be applying some of these to my ring fingernail. So once I was done placing the stickers, I just went ahead and went over that with the matte top coat, as you guys see here. And then I also repeated that on my thumb as well, but since my thumb is bigger, I did have to add a little bit more stickers just to fill up those spaces. And then I almost forgot to show you guys this, but Melanie and Susie also sent me over some rhinestones. And like, I didn't expect this at all. They didn't tell me they were sending me this. Like, it was just so sweet of them. So this package comes with a wax pencil, and then it also comes with some tweezers, and this is how the rhinestones look. So of course I had to use these rhinestones for this set. And then I'm also using some of the heart rhinestones, also from the makartt Hooked on Love collection, and these are just so pretty. Like, so I just had to use these. And then I'm also using my little smaller ones that I always use. I'm just pouring some out. I'm taking my rhinestone gel glue, and then I'm just putting that where I want the rhinestones to be. I'm going to go over that with some top coat and then just apply my rhinestones. So this is how the rhinestone placement is coming out so far. I wasn't sure if I liked it or not. Like, I was just so hesitant about this set. I don't know why. Maybe because it's so like Valentine's-y. But yeah, I went ahead and put some rhinestones also on my pinky nail as well. I cured those into place. And at first I was going to go over this with the shiny top coat, but I thought about putting it matte. So I just went ahead and used the matte top coat. But this is how it looks shiny. Like, let me know if it looks better shiny or matte. Once I cure it, you'll be able to see the matte, of course. I went ahead and added my cuticle oil, and these are how the nails turn out. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are feeling these, like what you don't like about these, what you do like, if you love them, if you love the video. I will make sure that I leave the link to the Melanie Susie gel kit and also the nail light that I used in the video. And as always, if you enjoyed this and made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.